Next time, inshallah, you walk inside the masjid, my personal advice is that you say Aameen, Aameen, Aameen 3 times when you walk in the masjid. Allama Yousuf Binori, Rahmatullahalih, he used to walk in the masjid and he used to say Aameen, Aameen, Aameen. Someone asked him, why do you say Aameen when you come to the masjid? No one is making dua, you're not saying Aameen to a dua. Allama Binori Rahmatullahi replied, we find in the hadith mentioned by Khatib Baghdadi Rahmatullahi, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam says, a person who stays in the masjid doesn't talk of any worldly matters and he stays there in the state of wudu inside the masjid. The angels make dua, Allahumma ghafir lahu, Allahumma arhamhu. Oh Allah, forgive him, oh Allah, have mercy on him. So he's saying, I'm saying Aameen to the dua of the angels. So inshallah, next time you come into the masjid, you say Aameen, Aameen, Aameen. The person who's making the dua for you is the angels. They are directly coming from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And we're saying Aameen, and inshallah Allah ta'ala will accept our dua.